Hello, and welcome to Lightboard Programming with Josh. Today, we're going to learn about effects. So, before we get started, first thing we got to do is we got to patch in some lights. Now, effects work on intelligent lighting. So, as you can see here, I have all my different units. And each of these different units, so up here we have in channel 1, I've addressed it to something else. So we're going to go to channel 2. Now we're going to patch channel 2 at, let's say, 76, right? Hit enter. Now what this does is it tells it, okay, now it thinks this is a dimmer. But we don't want it to be a dimmer. We want it to be an intelligent lighting unit. So we're going to have to change that. And that's changed over in second to switch monitors so y'all can see. All right. So over here you can see we have type. So in our favorites I have lusters. So we'll just go with more of the luster pluses. These are the units that you have at Western. So I'm just going to go ahead and patch 3 of them. Channel 3, and then you would type in at, and then it's the first address, and it's the first address on the back of the unit that you put in. So on the back of whatever luster plus par that I'm doing, I would put for channel 2, I would put 76 as the number, as the DMX address. So we're going to go 79. Going to hit enter. All right. We don't want it to be a dimmer. We want it to be luster. So there we go. Now then, I'm going to open up my tombstones over in the other window. So let me just... Oh yeah, so here are all my tombstones. So you can see, so we'll go channel 1. Wait a second. Doo-doo. Channel 1. First, actually, we need to take a look at the effects. So, let's pull up our effects. And there's an effects key. Now, this is very important. The effects, this is a list of all the effects. And it tells you whether it's focus, linear, or color. So hue, sat, fade makes it fade. Rainbow RGB and rainbow CMY make it like go through a rainbow of colors, etc. You can also program your own, which is what I'm going to pull up right now. So, let's let me just pull up my keyboard here. So we will go record. Effect. We'll go effect 1000, record. And then we're going to choose a type. Let's make this linear. And here you see intensity over time. So let's say I wanted to make a heartbeat, right? What I would do is I go here, I click edit, I click clear, and then I can take my mouse and we'll just draw kind of a heartbeat looking thing. A very irregular heartbeat, but nonetheless, we'll click apply, and now we've created effect 1000, which all it does is it will make the light go full to dim, full to dim. Now, what we need to do is we're going to go back to our live summary, or our tombstone. So let me switch us back over to that. Here we are in our tombstones. So we have one on it full. So we'll go 1 through 3. And then we'll go effect 1000, enter. Now, I'm going to go record Q1, and now should, if I go to table, there we go. So you can see right here that they're all changing color. Or not color, they're all changing intensity. You can do the same thing with color as well. So now, not only are they going bright to dim, they're changing color. I may make a video where I do this with actual lights, if you would like that. But for now, this is just a simple sample of what you can do with LEDs and how to program them.